Hi, I'm Kelley Buttrick. I'm a professional voiceover talent coming to you from a part of my home studio. And I'd like to talk about what the phrase home studio should mean. A home studio is more than top-of-the-line gear put in by a professional. Thanks to the experts I've consulted with over the years and the investment I've made in top-of-the-line gear, that box has been checked. A home studio is more than the talent, the expertise, the experience of the voice actor. Thanks to training, thanks to the thousands of clients I've worked with over the past 10 plus years I've been in business, I've got that box checked. A home studio is more than being able to bring in your clients to direct you remotely. Thanks to having the same devices and software that any of the major production companies use, that box is checked. A home studio is more than the space where the voice talent records. Thanks to consultants, I have that box checked. So what should the phrase home studio really mean? Well, I think it means that all those boxes are checked and that the talent actually knows how to use the studio, knows how to troubleshoot it, knows how to do whatever it takes to ensure their clients have an easy, worry-free, great-sounding session. And if you cast voice actors based on them having home studios, I highly recommend you vet not only the talent, but also the home studio he or she provides.